Hello guys, welcome to another video of mine. So today we'll be discussing viral niches that can help you blow up in 2026. You have been wanting to start up content creation and you don't know which way to go about. Before starting a content or before starting any content or YouTube channel at all, remember you need to consider the niche that can help you blow up easily and the niche that pays very well, the one that has high CPM and RPM. So today I'll be discussing so many niches that can help you blow up, and these niches have high CPM and RPM. Yes, and I have them all written down here, and we'll be discussing so many about it. I'll be reading it out and we'll talk about it. And remember, this video is not only for those that want to start content creation. Yes, if you have been creating content and you're not getting views on the content that you are creating on the niche, yes, you don't get views from them, maybe it's time for you to change your niche. And in this video I'll be helping you. Yes, I will dish out many niche that can help you go viral and blow up in 2026. And number one I have on my list is lifestyle vlogging. Yes, you know that people everyday people talk about what they do, yes, where they went, what they wear and everything. Yes, people like to tell people about their daily activities, and this pays quiet, yes, well, if you are into lifestyle vlogging and all that. Yes, and another one we have here is get ready with me videos. Yes, if you check social media, many people tell people what type of clothes they are wearing and what brand it came from. Here, so people tend to create content on get ready with me video. So you can start create content either on lifestyle vlog, you tell people what you do for the day or maybe for the week and everything, or you start creating content on your outfit. This content get ready with me videos usually for people that has occasions that normally goes out in the within the weeks, or maybe 3 times or even 4 times within the week. Yes, but maybe if you don't have occasions or that, you can still start up creating other content. Yes, and again we'll have market vlog. People go to the market and make inquiries of prices of foodstuff or prices of what things cost in the market. Maybe you want to purchase something, you want to make inquiry, maybe you want to purchase a particular product. When you go, there is people that always tell you what this cost. Maybe this microphone here, this K9 microphone here, if you want to check how much it costs, you can go, you will see people that spoke about this particular mic and you will see how much it costs. Maybe you want to purchase it, how much it costs for you to purchase it. Yes, people really go to market and make market vlog, whether on food stuff and every other thing. So if you're the type that normally goes to the market, you can start up creating market vlog content. And another one we have is daily routine videos. Yes, people tell people what they ate in the morning, night and afternoon, or what kind of clothes they wear, or what kind of things they do on a daily basis. So you can start creating content on that. And again we'll have food content. Yes, food content is not only on cooking. Yes, there are viral niche under food content that you can start creating on, and I'll be saying it right up here. So on food content you can start up cooking niche. Yes, this one when you tell people what to cook, maybe how to make particular dishes, maybe how to make, yes, varieties of dishes, you cook and tell people on that. This niche quite pays well. Yes, it pays well. So you can start creating content on that. And not only good food content, you can tell people how to make particular spices of food. Maybe what you can, if you want to make a particular meal, they have spices for that meal. Yes, people tell people how to make paprika spice and all that, curry spice and many things I've watched on social media. So maybe if you are the type, you are a chef and you're not making content on that, start creating content on this, because you are going to blow up and you will get a lot of money in 2026. Yes, let's forge ahead. And again we have food recipe. Yes, people tell people how to cook, where to put seasoning and how to put seasoning and where to put things that, yes, there are process that you follow to cook food. So people tell people recipes on how to make food. So let's further ahead, you can start creating content on them. If you're the type that cooks well, not only a chef, if you're the type that cooks daily, you make fresh meals a day, yes, you can start creating content on that. And again, the one we'll have here on food, yes, we're talking about food content. The one we'll have here is how much it costs to stock up maybe things in your house. People buy couch, they buy food stuff, they buy things from market and tell people maybe the price they got them from market and all that. You can start creating content if you're the type that goes to the market. Yes, you can tell people how much it costs for you to stock up your fridge, for you to get things for your household and all that. And again, we have okay, budget meal, we have smoothie making. Yes, we have smoothie making and all that. You can teach people how to do things, yes, not only on cooking. So let's dive forge ahead to fitness niche. You know fitness niche pays well. You know that. Guys, if you are still with me here, welcome. My name is Ella, and here I answer Grow with Ella. I teach you how to grow on YouTube and how to make money on YouTube. So if this is the type of content that you wish to see more, please hit the like button, comment under this video, tell me the kind of content that you will like creating. Yes, and make sure you watch till the end and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notifications so that you will be notified each time I upload content like this. So let's forge ahead. Fitness niche pays very well. People tell people now, people teach people how to, yes, their daily routine, fitness daily routine, and maybe then you were fat and now you are slim. You can tell people how your weight loss journey. Yes, you can start creating content on weight loss journey, and then maybe how to burn belly fat, how to lose weight, yes, how to even get a curvy shape, yes, how to, yes, they have different types, hourglass shape and all that. Yes, you can tell people how to get it, and maybe what they will take, the type of drink they will take for maybe to keep fit and maybe to get things that can help them keep fit. Yes, fitness journey pays well, so you can start creating content on fitness niche. So again, we have review content. Yes, people tend to review a lot of things. Yes, do you know that car reviewing pays very well here on YouTube? Yes, you are the person that knows about car, maybe, and all tech gadgets. Yes, you knows about tech gadgets and all that, and they are not creating content of them. Let me tell you, it pays very well. It's one of the highest, yes, one of the highest that have high CPM, yes, on this YouTube here. So if you are not creating content, start creating content on review things. You can review things maybe you bought. You can review the type of mic that you use to create your content. You can review so many things that I cannot even mention here. You can start creating content on review niche. Let's talk about what you can be able to review. Yes, things that's under review niche. Do you know that you can start reviewing foods like food critics? Yes, you can start reviewing food. Go to different restaurants, you buy their foods and then maybe take what they taste like, maybe a meat pie from Chicken Republic, from Kilimanjaro, from Mixabi. You can review those kind of a thing. Maybe you can review big brands like Mortina, Malta Guinness, and every other thing. So you can start reviewing them. Those are the basic things that you can start reviewing. How it tastes and all that. You can start reviewing things. And then maybe skincare review. Yes. If you want to you want to glow your skin. Yes, there are some things, some kinds of skincare routine that can help you glow maybe in 2 weeks and other people tend to do it. Me, personally, I do search for things that can help my skin glow. Yes, so people do content on that and they earn money from it. So you can start doing that. You have a clear skin. Maybe you might share what you did or how you did to get a glowing and clear skin. Maybe you have hyperpigmentation or acne and how you cure it and how it went from your it how it went off. You can start creating content on how you cured your acne or all those kind of things. And again, on review, people review a lot of things. They review perfumes and all that. They review many things that I cannot even mention. I wrote down here, so you can start reviewing them. Yes, cars. They, like I said, they review cars. They review tech gadgets. They review gadgets that can help people create content, so you can start doing that. And then we have sit down videos. The one I'm doing now is called sit down videos. Yes, I sit down and just with my camera, me and my camera, I tell you guys what you can be able to do and all that. And the one that maybe if you are vlogging doesn't require you sitting down. It's because when you tell people where you go, you show people around, you need to walk around. So it's not a sit down video. Some review content, some of them are not sit down video. Like when you review cars and all that, you don't sit down and review cars. You stand and show people what type of things they have in the car and all that. So many contents are not sit down content. You can start doing, and sit down content are actually not expensive to do. Yes, there are content that are quite expensive for you to start up. If you don't have the capital, maybe you can start creating sit down content. And even reaction videos too, they are always sit down content. When we react to particular video, you talk about things, maybe you talk about politics, you talk about things that help people grow, maybe on daily life and everything. So you will start creating content of them. And don't wait for you to have so much money before you start creating content. Maybe I don't have mic, I don't have a good camera. That's not an excuse. Start from somewhere. All these big YouTubers that you are seeing, they started from zero. Yeah, there was one, their camera was not is not always good, or their camera wasn't always bright as now, but now with consistency and everything, they are were able to pull through. Yes, and now they have the finances to sponsor their content creation. So don't wait for you to have everything before you start. Okay, like I said before, the reason why I'm making this video is to encourage a lot of people that don't know the content, the type of content that they want to create, or the people that maybe trying to give up. Yes, maybe the niche that they are there is not paying very well, or the niche they are not getting views on them. Please and please don't be discouraged. Consistency is the key. Yes, if this niche is not working for you, change to other niche. That's why I'm making this video. I listed so many niche that can help you go viral and that can help you blow up in 2026. Yes, remember to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you have watched till the very end. And thank you for watching my videos. Thank you so much. And sure you turn on your notification, because in my next video I'll be telling you the niche that pays very well. Yes, because in my next video I'll be telling you the niche that has high CPM. You know, this one I just named randomly, yes, without no CPM or revenue, the amounts of money that you expect from each 1000 views. But in my next video I'll be discussing about the CPM and the RPM of the niche. So make sure you are on this channel. See you on my next video, guys. Bye.